Welcome back. We have another unboxing. I have a care package from Alienware. Another one. Based off of the size of this box and probably the title of the video, you can tell what this is. A laptop. The Alienware X17 R2 gaming laptop, and I am so excited for this. I'm a streamer and a gamer, so that means that I like to stream when I play my games. And if I'm on the go, or if I have any kind of event or family function that I have to go to for an extended period of time, I can't stream unless I'm at my office or like in my room at my computer. But this is gonna make it possible. I had a gaming laptop before, but I let my brother borrow that for a little while. There's some trips and things that come about, or just wanting to lounge in my living room where I can play video games in my lap and just not have to be at a desk. And I'm so excited for this. Alright, I'm gonna shut up now. Let's just unbox it. I have my handy dandy box cutter. Let's go ahead and do it. Oh, my dog heard the box cutter and he has to check everything out. Ooh! Wear game is what it says. Yay! Oh, I'm so excited. This looks so good. Oh, there's like little... We're terrible at words here, okay? I'm really bad at words. It has etching of like the mechanics or little technological stuff that's inside the computer on the box. This is so pretty! Oh my god! Let me set this aside for a moment. He wants to be a part of this so bad. Of course, in the box, there's boxes and boxes. Oh, let me lift that up. There's more boxes for safety, and the main box, which is the power outlet. Let's go ahead and set the box aside. I'm just gonna... So we have the box of the new charger. Oh my gosh, this is so thin in comparison to a lot of different like chargers. My old one had like a thick boy, so this is really nice and thin. And then, of course, the outlet for it, or well, you know, the thing that plugs into the wall that makes it go on. Or charged. It charges it. Ooh, wait a minute. First of all, comes with a little dongle-y bit that you can like click into. Oh, that makes things so much nicer when you're traveling. It is so annoying when cables get all caught up and everything. They have a little thing that connects to it. We love that. And it's got plastic on here, so I'm gonna take that off really quick. I love that this isn't like just sticking out. Like it's into it. Oh, that's so nice. Instead of having a cable that comes outward, it is like slanted down, so it's not gonna like get in the way. Plastic time, one of the favorite parts. Ooh, now this laptop comes in the shade Lunar Light, which just matches everything that I have, and I'm so excited and grateful for this entire setup that I have now. Everything is just like all Alienware, and I feel blessed by the gamer gods. Gamer gods have blessed me. I'm so curious what it's like when it comes to like wrapping all these things. Oh, that's so nice. So pretty. It's got like a matte finish, and of course the Alienware logo in the middle. We have our charger. I'm gonna set that aside, and let's actually get into the computer, the laptop. So here she is, the X17 R2 gaming laptop. Let's go ahead and unwrap this baby. She needs to get a little undressed for us. Wait, that's kind of weird, but it's an electronic, right? So it's not, it's inanimate. It doesn't, anyway. Let's unwrap her. It's like a little present. It is a little, it's a big present. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, the case is so cool. No, they did not make this so pretty. It opens up. Oh my god. I love a pretty box. The little tab to pull up the laptop. Boom. We have her. Oh my gosh, she's so thin. Oh, that's thin. Oh, I love that. Set her aside really quickly. We're gonna get plastic off of her in a sec. Then inside of the fancy box, we have a little booklet, information, all of this stuff that, you know, the paperwork that not a lot of people like to read, but has some important or really useful information in it. So that's in there. I love this. They have the little whales. They got little whales on this. And it says 100% recycled plastics, 25% from ocean-bound sources. Oh, I love that! Recycle responsibly! Yes, please. Oh, I love this box though. And now the plastic unwrap of this gorgeous X17 R2. Oh my goodness. Now Alienware makes their computers customizable to a point where you can like pick out the CPU you want, typically GPU, graphics card, RAM, and everything of that sort. This model comes in a couple of different, like you can have different variations of what's inside, you know? So, oh my god! I love the honeycomb design with the fans in the back. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty! Okay, so as I said, this is the Lunar Light. Gorgeous, matte-like finish. The Alienware. Oh my goodness. Wait, oh, I just ruined it for you guys. Here, hold on. Shh, shh, magic, magic. Ready, ready, hold on, hold on. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, she turned on. Look at how pretty. You guys didn't see anything, okay? Mine came ready for me. It said, hello, Grayson, hello. Watch, look at how freaking cute. I'm gonna actually keep that. That's useful to have. Look at how pretty. Oh my gosh. It lights up. We have the honeycomb fans and the power button at the top. I love it. We have the Alienware low profile keys, obviously because we want it to be thin. You're not going to want to have like big keys, and it's a laptop. Oh, this is the mechanical keyboard. I've never felt a mechanical keyboard on a laptop, and this, oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, I love the design. Everything about it is just beautiful. It's a 17-inch, so depending on your preference for laptop sizes or anything like that, like you're gonna wanna go with the size that works for you. 17 inches for gaming, streaming, anything that I'm doing, work, editing. Oh, I'm so excited. And the keyboard is mechanical, which you can pick if you want it to be mechanical or not, which is really nice. Gonna start messing around with her because she's real cute. What should I call her? I've been calling all of my Alienware computers, like, one's a beast, one, I haven't named my R13 yet, so like if you have fun names for computers, let me know. One's the beast, next one, we don't know. And then what should the laptop be? I feel so stinking grateful. Look at the LED, the RGB on the back. Oh my god. And of course you can customize the colors in the Alien FX. Hold on, let me change colors really quick. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my god. Oh, okay, all right, okay. I can change the colors of the power strip and the back, like fun Tron-like light. I think it's called the Tron light. And then you can also change the colors of the keyboard to be RGB with their control center. Everything is awesome. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm pretty sure that this laptop is almost, if not fairly equal to my PC tower, that obviously like it's a tower, so it's not portable, but it can definitely handle a lot. This seems like this can handle almost exactly the same as my current like desktop computer, which is so awesome. The laptop I have is the X17 R2 with the i7-12700H CPU, like the processor, 64 gigabytes of RAM, and this laptop comes with the 3080 Ti graphics card. I am shocked at how much that they can put into something so thin that pretty much almost equal to, if not equal to, a gaming desktop computer, but portable. Oh my gosh, the possibilities. You can handle my queen. I get really excited. Okay, here, let's mess around. This feels so nice. It doesn't have the numpad on the right hand side, so it's just like the base keyboard, which I personally really love in a laptop. There's no reason for me to have like all this extra stuff unless I'm doing like spreadsheets or something. That is nice. I love the options. Ooh. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh my god, I love it so much. Everything's handled in the Alienware control center, which always is dark mode for me, everything. Oh my god, the audio on this sounds so good. Wait, what? So I can change everything. I'm gonna do rainbow wave. Oh, I love that. You can obviously customize which keys you want to have certain backlights for. I love this. Love this for on-the-go gaming, for on-the-go streaming. I can even do from, oh my god, there's so much possibility and capability. And I feel like the audio on this is going to be really good, just based off of the little ding that Windows gave me for a second. Like, it just sounds very loud. Like, I can make it really loud. Obviously, if I'm gaming, I'm most likely going to have a headset, which they have a wireless headset now. Amazing. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to get games on this. They have a couple of different options for the LCD if you'd like to have specific hertz type screens. I know when I'm gaming, I remember I've always played on 60 hertz monitor until recently, and let me tell you, my gaming capabilities have like gone up by just increasing the hertz in a monitor. So the X17R2 comes in a 17.3 inch LCD. Now you can get it in 165 hertz or 360 hertz in full HD, or if you want ultra HD, you can get it at 120 hertz too. Oh my god, I love it. So similarly to the R9 and the R13, with the X17R2, you can customize which little pieces you want in your laptop, which I love having that capability. Instead of just being like, okay, I have to be, you know, stick with one main like thing, you can pick what you want, pick and choose what you want, and also just pick what works for you financially too. This laptop comes in the 12th gen Intel Core i7-12700H CPU or the i9-12900HK CPU. You can choose between the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060, 3070 Ti or the 3080 Ti, which is the one that my computer has. And it's the one that my computer, like my gaming PC has. How did they fit all of this in here? It's amazing. You can choose between 16, 32, or 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. And they have a couple of different options between a 512 gigabyte SSD all the way up into a 4 terabyte RAID PCI NVMe SSD. They've got options. And like I said, you can choose between the Alienware Series X low profile keyboard or the Alienware mechanical Cherry MX keyboard, both of which are low profile because this laptop is thin, which makes portability very easy, so long as you have a bag, which they have a bag for something of this size, just, you know, travel around with. They have all the ports on the back side of the laptop, which is really nice. So you have like your power outlet, there's an HDMI outlet, USB-C ports, there's two of those, there's a port, or at least I think that's two of those. There's a port for your internet, 2 USB ports, looks like a micro SD card port, and some more things. So I love that, that's so nice. Super simple, super minimal, super sleek, super thin, super beautiful. This is absolutely such a beautiful laptop, and I am so excited to be able to game on the go, stream on the go, and just do whatever I want to do, like on the comfort of my couch or in the airport or when I'm traveling, seeing family, or anything of the sort. I love having the capability of having so much power in such a small, thin, slim package that I can bring with me wherever I want. I want to thank Alienware for making this beautiful product and for sending it to me. This is so gorgeous. As I say, literally every product that they've sent thus far is so beautiful. I love the lunar light. As someone who had a like black case before on my computer, and I always wanted to have like the pretty white with RGB kind of like just aesthetic going on, they make that possible with their lunar light line. It is amazing and I love it so much. If you're looking for a gaming laptop, I'll have a link to this in the description, along with all of the specs and information of my other PCs that I use regularly for streaming and gaming, and just general information that you may be interested in knowing of myself or of me and the things that I do on the internet. How is this so good? Oh, I love it so much! You're so pretty! So stinking nice. Is there anything that you would like to see other than perhaps my setup that I haven't made a video of already? Any products or things that you would love to know about, or things that if you're a streamer or wanting to get into streaming that you'd be interested in knowing a little bit more of? Let me know in the comments, because I'd love to make some more content here for you. I'm gonna get to gaming, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day and take care of yourself. Remember, you are so loved. And again, thank you so much to Alienware for making this possible. All right, I'm gonna go hide away. I'm gonna just go slither away onto my couch and install video games so I can play whenever and wherever. She's so pretty! Ah! Also, I'm sorry for the dead pixel that is on this camera. I do not know how to fix it, or I'm just lazy and I haven't figured out how to fix it yet, but you know, it is what it is. You gonna stay up? Will she stay? We'll see. We'll find out. You know what? No.